Hello, financial explorers, and welcome back to Rich Ripples, your guide to navigating the vast waters of wealth and prosperity. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone seeking financial security: how to make your money last. Stick around as we uncover strategies that will send ripples of prosperity through your life. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Let's set sail. Section 1. The foundation of financial sustainability. Before we talk about making your money last, let's build a solid foundation. Understand your financial landscape: assets, debts, investments. This clear picture will help you make informed decisions for the journey ahead. Section 2. Crafting your lifelong financial blueprint. A journey without a map can lead to uncertainty. Define your financial goals, short-term and long-term. Create a budget that covers your necessities while leaving room for the experiences that enrich your life. Section 3. The power of smart spending habits. Managing your expenses is like steering your ship. Cut down on unnecessary spending and focus on what truly matters. Little adjustments can create significant ripples in your financial journey. Section 4. Investment strategies for lifelong prosperity. Investing is the wind that propels your financial voyage. Diversify your portfolio to manage risks and seize opportunities. Regularly review and adjust your investments to align with your evolving goals. Section 5. Embracing the power of compounding. Picture your wealth growing like ripples in a pond. Compounding amplifies your savings over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful the effect. Time is your greatest ally. Section 6. Safeguarding your financial ship. Storms can come out of nowhere. Build an emergency fund that acts as your anchor. This fund will help you weather unexpected setbacks without disrupting your long-term plans. Section 7. Staying adaptable and resilient. Adaptability is the captain's quality. Life changes, and so be your circumstances. Be open to revisiting your budget and investment strategies as needed. Flexibility ensures your ripples remain strong. There you have it, financial trailblazers. Your guide to making your money last and creating endless ripples of prosperity. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and the choices you make today shape your tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Rich Ripples for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned. As you set forth on this journey, may your ripples be rich and your financial future brighter than ever. This is Jones signing off, reminding you that your financial destiny is in your hands.